Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about overview of Docker edition. So Docker is available in two editions, which is Community Edition CE and Enterprise Edition EE. So Community Editions, is ideal for individual developers and a small teams looking to get started with a Docker and experimenting with a container-based apps. Whereas Docker Enterprise Editions is designed for enterprise development and IT, teams who build, ship, and run business critical applications in productions at a scale. So these are the features will supported by then on basis of that in capabilities like container engines and build in the orchestrations, networking and security, which is the community editions. In enterprise editions we have a three like in basic, standard and advanced. So you cannot do that in community editions like in certified infrastructures plugins and ISV containers, image management, container app management, and image security scanning. But you can do that in enterprise editions advanced if you are going to opt it. It's all depend on you. So that's all about in that in Docker editions. And for more details, just refer that in docker.io. And that's all about in this lecture. And thanks for watching.